Dangerous heat is impacting Southeast Texas on Tuesday following Beryl, which left over 2 million utility customers without power, reports the National Weather Service. After making landfall Monday as a Category 1 hurricane, Beryl triggered heat advisories across much of the Texas coast, including Houston and Corpus Christi. High temperatures combined with widespread power outages could lead to heat-related illnesses, warned the Houston Weather Service office. Temperatures are expected to reach the lower 90s with heat index values up to 106 degrees, making conditions feel hotter due to humidity. Residents are urged to stay hydrated and limit outdoor activities, particularly while cleaning up storm damage left by Beryl. As of Tuesday morning, 2.25 million utility customers in Texas remain without power, according to poweroutage.us. Crews from CentralPoint Energy are actively restoring power, prioritizing areas with vulnerable populations like senior citizen centers, as noted by Acting Governor Dan Patrick. Cooling centers have been opened in cities along the coast to provide relief from the heat, supported by efforts from FEMA Region 6 in Denton to help residents cope with the ongoing heat wave.